Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise chapter 8, division. Now, what is division? Division is the repeated subtraction. Alright, division is the repeated subtraction. We get the answer by subtracting the numbers. For example, 12 divided by 3. So, how do we get the answer? So, we will start subtracting 3 from the numbers. First, we will subtract this 3 from 12 only. So, 12 minus 3 is 9. Then, again we will subtract this 3 from this 9. So, 9 minus 3 is 6. Now, there is 6. So, we will subtract this 3 from this 6. So, 6 minus 3 is 3. Then, at last, we will subtract this 3 from this 3 only. So, 3 minus 3 is 0. At last, we want a 0. यानी जब हमारे लास्ट में 0 आ जाएगा, by subtracting 3, then we will count how many times we have subtracted this 3. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 times we have subtracted this 3. So the answer will be 4 because हमने इसको 4 times subtract किया था. And we all know in the table of 3, 12 comes 4 times. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now there are some division facts. For division we use multiplication tables. हम multiplication tables use करते हैं, जो हमारी tables होती हैं हम उन्हें use करते हैं for division. Then 0 divided by number. जब हम 0 को किसी number से divide करेंगे we'll get 0 only. For example 0 divided by 49 is equals to 0. Number divided by same number is equals to 1. जब हम same numbers को divide करते हैं we'll get 1. For example 36 divided by 36 is equals to 1 because 36 की table में 36 1 times ही आता है. Number divided by 1 is equals to same number. और जब हम किसी number को 1 से divide करेंगे we'll get the same number. For example 24 divided by 1 is equals to 24. Now how to do division by another method, that is long division. So we have to make this type of line to divide numbers in which we will write here divisor. जिस number से हम numbers को divide कर रहे हैं दूसरे numbers को, that is called a divisor. And here हम क्या लिखेंगे? Dividend. The number to be divided, that means जिस number को हम divide कर रहे हैं, that number will be written here and it is called as dividend. Then after division we'll get the numbers, that is the answer, and the answer of division is called as quotient. And if the number is left over, the leftover numbers are called as remainder. So this is the long division method. First we will write this 9 in the divisor because हमें 9 को 18 से divide करना है. 18 we will write in the dividend. Then in the table of 9, 18 comes 2 times. 2 we will write in the quotient part. And then we will subtract this 18 from this 18 and we are getting 0. So 0 is the remainder here. We can check our answer too by this method. Dividend is equals to quotient into divisor. So dividend जब हमें चाहिए तो हम क्या करेंगे? Quotient और divisor को multiply कर देंगे to get the dividend. So here in this question 2 is the quotient and 9 is the divisor and dividend is 18. So we will check कि जब हमने quotient और divisor को multiply किया we are getting the same dividend or not. So 2 into 9 or 2 times 9 is 18. So here dividend जो यहाँ पे लिखा था हमने and यहाँ जो हमारा आंसर आया है dividend में both are same. That means our answer is correct. So there are some questions in your exercises. In exercise 8a, which is related to the facts only, we have to divide the numbers. Exercise 8b is related to division and check the answer. So in this one, we have to use the long division method and then we will check the answer also. So here is the question. We have to divide 24 by 2. हमें क्या करना है? 2 को 24 से divide करना है. So here 2 we will write in the divisor part, 24 we will write in the dividend part. Now start dividing the numbers. In the table of 2, this 2 comes, first digit of this number 2 comes 1 time. So 1 we will write in the quotient part. 1 हम कहाँ लिखेंगे? यहाँ quotient में. and then 2 times 1 is 2 only, so 2 we will subtract from this 2, we are getting 0. Then we will write the next number. अब हमें क्या करना है, इस next number को note करना है, that is 4. So in the table of 2, 4 comes 2 times, so 2 we will write in the quotient part and we will subtract this 4 from this 4 only जो हमने अभी note किया था. So 4 minus 4 again 0. So here remainder is 0 and quotient is 12. This is the quotient. Now to check the answer we use this formula, dividend is equals to quotient into divisor. So here quotient is 12, so we'll write 12 into divisor. What is the divisor? That is 2. So 12 into 2 is 24, which is equal to the dividend जो हमारे पास में यहाँ पे dividend था उसके बिल्कुल equal है. That means our answer is correct. Let's take one more example in which we have to divide this 77 by 7. हमें 7 से 77 को divide करना है. So 7 we will write in the divisor, 77 we will write in the dividend, and in the table of 7, 7 comes one time. So यहाँ पे हमें first digit देखना है पहले. So 7 की table में 7 one time आता है, 1 we will write in the quotient part and then we will subtract the 7. So 7 times 1 is 7 only, 7 minus 7 is 0. Then you will note the next number, that is 7 only. So in the table of 7, 7 comes 1 times. So 7 into 1 or 7 times 1 is 7 and 7 minus 7 is 0. So here we will check our answer. Quotient into divisor, quotient is 11 here and divisor is 7. So 11 into 7 is 77, which is equal to the dividend. That means our answer is correct. Now if there are 3 digits, that means 555 को हमें 5 से divide करना है. The procedure will be the same. One by one you will divide the numbers from the divisor. So 5 is the divisor here and 555 is the dividend. So first we will see this first 5 and the table of 5 comes 1 times. So 1 we will write in the quotient part and subtract 5. So 5 minus 5 0. Then we will write the next 5, that is here 5. So 5 की table में 5 1 times आता है. So 5 into 1 is 5. Again we will subtract. We are getting 0. Then at last we will note this last 5. So in the table of 5, 5 comes 1 time. So 5 into 1 is 5. All the 1 will be written in the quotient part. And the remainder is 0 here. You can check your answer too by the method dividend is equals to divisor into quotient. Similarly, if there are 4 digits in the dividend and 1 digit in the divisor, so यहाँ पर भी हम same procedure use करेंगे. One by one we will divide the numbers. So in the table of 2, 2 comes 1 time. 1 we will write in the quotient and 2 will be written here after this 2. And then we will subtract because division is the repeated subtraction. So subtraction के बाद हमें क्या मिला? 0. Then we will note the 6, the next number. In the table of 2, 6 comes 3 times. 3 will write in the quotient and 6 minus 6 0. Again we will note the next 6 and in the table of 2, 6 comes 3 times. We will subtract 6 only. Then at last we will write this 4. So in the table of 2, 4 comes 2 times. So 2 we will write in the quotient part and we will subtract this 4 and we are getting remainder as 0 and 1332 as quotient. Similarly, if the questions are given like this, in which we have to divide the 693 by 3, 804 by 2, 800 by 4. So this will be the same जो हमने अभी प्रोसीजर किया था वैसे ही हमें करना है. In this one, when we are dividing this 804 by 2, so first the number is 8 and the table of 2, 8 comes 4 times. So 4 we will write in the quotient part and subtract 8 here. So 8 minus 8 0. Then we will note the next number over here, that is 0. So 0 को हम क्या करेंगे, 0 से ही multiply करेंगे and subtract करेंगे. So यहाँ भी हम क्वेश्चन में we will write 0 and subtract भी हम क्या कर रहे हैं, 0 करेंगे. Then the remainder is 0. At last we will note this 4. So here and the table of 2, 4 comes 2 times. So 402 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. Similarly, in this one, we are dividing 800 by 4. So in the table of 4, 8 comes 2 times and 0 will come 0 times only. So 200 will be the quotient and 0 will be the remainder. Similarly, if there are 4 digits in the dividend, so again the procedure will be the same. हमें one by one क्या करना है, numbers को divide करना है. And if the question is giving like this 6090, we are dividing this by 3. So first we will write the 6. So 6 के लिए हम क्या देखेंगे, 3 की टेबल में 2 times आता है, 2 we will write in the quotient and we will subtract this 6. Then there is 0. So 0, अभी मैंने जैसे आपको बताया था कि 0 किसी की भी टेबल में 0 times ही आता है. So क्वेश्चन में भी हम 0 लिखेंगे और subtract भी हम 0 करेंगे. Then 9. So in the table of 3, 9 come 3 times. And then at last 0. So किसी की भी टेबल में 0 times ही आएगा. So 2030 is the quotient, 0 is the remainder. Now there are some questions in which there are some leftover numbers also. So in this one, for example, we have to divide this 9 by 2. अगर हमें 9 को 2 से divide करना है, the procedure will be the same. Procedure जैसा अभी मैंने बताया आपको same रहेगा. So in the table of 2, 9 never comes. But इससे हमें क्या देखना है, एक छोटा digit देखना है. And that smaller digit is 8 that comes 4 times in the table of 2. So we will write 4 in the quotient and 2 times 4 is 8. So हम यहाँ पे 8 लिखेंगे and then we will subtract. So 9 minus 8 is 1. So 1 is the remainder here and 4 is the quotient over here. And then we have to check. So check के लिए अब हम क्या करेंगे, there is leftover number. So we will use this formula. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. First you have to multiply divisor and quotient. So आप divisor को और quotient को पहले multiply करेंगे and then you will add this leftover number. So divisor and quotient is 4 into 2. 4 times 2 is 8. And what is the remainder here? 1. So we will add this 1. See, the dividend is same जो हमने यहाँ पे अभी divide किया था. So 9 is the answer. Similarly in this one, we are dividing this 79 by 7. So in the table of 7, 7 comes 1 times. The remainder is 0 here. Then we will note this next 9. And 7 की टेबल में 9 नहीं आता है, 7 की टेबल में 7 ही आता है 1 times, because 2 times क्या आ जाता है 14. So वो bigger digit हो जाता है from 9. So we will use 7 1 times 7 and 9 minus 7 is 2. So there is 2 is a remainder and 11 is quotient over here. Again we will check our answer. So first we will multiply this divisor and quotient. So 7 into 11 is 77 and then we will add this leftover number, that is 2. So 77 plus 2 is 79, which is equal to the dividend over here. Suppose the questions are giving like this, 504 divided by 5. So first we will write this 504 in the dividend and 5 in the divisor. So 5 की टेबल में 5 1 times आता है, 1 we will write in the quotient part and then we will subtract this 5 only. Next number is 0. So किसी की भी टेबल में 0 0 times ही आएगा. So 0 we will write in the quotient and subtract भी हम 0 ही करेंगे. Then we will note this last 4. Now see, this 4 is smaller than 5. Right? जो divisor है हमारा यहाँ पे उससे छोटा digit आ गया यहाँ पे. So जब भी ऐसी situation होगी कि अब आपके पास में यहाँ पे smaller digit होगा from this divisor, so we will write in the quotient 0 and we will subtract 0 also. जैसे अभी हमने 0 में किया था वैसे हम smaller digit के लिए भी करेंगे. So 5 times 0 is 0. So 4 minus 0 is 4. So 0. So this 4 will be remainder and this 100 is the quotient here. Similarly in this one, we are dividing this 681 by 2. So in the table of 2, 6 comes 3 times, 8 comes 4 times and this 1 never comes, है ना. So यहाँ पे जो divisor है 2 वो इस number से क्या है, bigger है and this one is smaller. So हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे, अब 2 को 0 से multiply करेंगे and यहाँ भी हम क्या लिखेंगे, subtract भी क्या करेंगे, 0 and remainder is 1. So 340 is the quotient and remainder is 1. So children, this is all about the chapter 8 division. You have to prepare this chapter for your test that will be taken tomorrow in the Google Form worksheet. Thank you.